This is how to apply the call center agent.
Ito pala ko guys sa aming
Tell me about yourself. I am motivated individual with strong communication skills and a passion for helping others. I have experience in customer service and thrive in fast-paced environment. My goal is to provide excellent service and resolve issues efficiently. Number 2, how do you handle difficult customers? I stay calm, listen actively to their concern, and empathize with their situation. When I focus, finding a solution or escalating the issues as needed, ensuring the customer feels heard and valued. Number 3, why do you want to work in a call center? I enjoy interacting with people and solving problems. A call center offers the opportunity to use my communication skills to assist customers and contribute to the company's success. How do you manage this? Work. I prioritize tasks, take short break, recharge, and focus on maintaining a positive attitude, staying organized, and seeking support when needed helps we handle stress effectively. What is your strength? I am honest and self-motivated person. Also, I am great learner and great team players. What is your weaknesses? I am very straightforward and trust people very quickly. I concentrate on one thing at a time. How do you see yourself 5 years from now? I would like to see myself as a successful employee and this organization why we should hire you. I am sincere with my work and I would never let you down. Anyone is here hiring me and will be great platform to showcase my skills. Why do you want to leave your current job? Guys, pakisubscribe ang aking YouTube channel. Consider and answer questions. Tell me about yourself. I am diligent, supportive, and passionate with all things and skills to meet the rules, demands. I pride myself at answering calls, making use of our communication, being professional, excellent attention to details, skills in giving light upon the meet of all hunting targets. Why do you want to work in a call center? I want to work in a call center because of the fast-paced environment and flexible working hours. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel guys and subscribe. Goodbye.